Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check the power steering fluid in this 2008 Chevy Silverado. It's got a 4.3 liter V6 engine. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. So the power steering fluid reservoir is located right here on the actual power steering pump. So we're going to just loosen up the cap. You want to make sure the engine is off. Take a rag, the dipstick is actually attached to the cap, wipe off the dipstick, reinsert it into the reservoir, twist it, lock it, pull it out again. Let's take a look, and there's no power steering fluid on this dipstick, so at this point we're going to add some fluid. So we're going to take a little funnel like this, slide that in there. Take some appropriate power steering fluid for this vehicle. Add some fluid. I think it's pretty low in this vehicle, so. Take that out. Reinsert the dipstick in the cap, lock it in place, recheck it, and it's right where it should be. Right here is where the full hot is, and right there is where the full cold is. It was a little bit above the full cold, so we're good. This engine is cold right now. Reinsert the cap and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.